Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host 2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to make product card titles bold in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left, click Online Store. The Themes page opens. Find your theme. Click the three-dot button. A menu appears. Click Edit Code. The Theme Files page opens. In Filter Files, search for base.css. You'll see a file named base.css. Click it to open the store's style script. This contains all our store's appearance code. We'll scroll to the bottom of this script. Just go all the way down. At the last line, which is blank, press enter to add a new line. Next, we'll access the host2b.net website. The link is in the description. Just click it. You'll find the code we'll be using there. Let's click this button up here to copy. Go ahead and click it. The script will be copied. Back in Shopify, paste the code in the blank line. After pasting, look for the Save button on the top right. The changes have been saved successfully. Now in our store, product titles are correctly bolded. More eye-catching and looks better in your shop. I hope this video helped. Bye.